Hey everyone, Rob here, and I wanted to personally invite you to a couple upcoming workshops that I have. You might have seen my LinkedIn videos or emails that I've sent out, and I would love to just now call out, give you an opportunity. We have two great workshop titles coming up in November. Number one is tax reduction strategies. In there, we're going to share about the new tax law and how to use that proactive over the next couple of years to do some planning for yourself and your family. The second one is women in investing. We know a lot of women out there right now are controlling the budget, doing the planning for retirement. So we want to specifically tailor to you women and share some great ideas that will help you plan with your family for the future. So again, hope that you can attend one or both of these upcoming workshops. We look to see you then.